The world of defense technology is on the cusp of a revolution. A new generation of fighter jets is emerging, promising to redefine air combat as we know it. Leading this charge is the Global Combat Air Program, a tri-nation effort spearheaded by the UK, Italy, and Japan. This ambitious program seeks to develop a sixth-generation fighter jet, a technological marvel set to take to the skies by the mid-2030s. The genesis of GCCAP can be traced back to the UK's own Tempest program and Japan's FX project. Recognizing the need for a collaborative approach to meet the challenges of future air warfare, the three nations joined forces. Their objective to create a fighter jet that would not only surpass existing capabilities, but also secure their place at the forefront of military aviation. For the UK, Italy, and Japan, the program is a statement of intent, a commitment to securing their own defense destinies. By pooling their resources and expertise, they aim to reduce reliance on external powers, particularly the United States. In this uncertain environment, self-reliance in critical areas like defense technology is paramount. The heart of GCAP lies in cutting-edge technology powering its sixth-generation fighter jet. This is a radical leap forward, incorporating features from science fiction. One striking aspect is its potential for optional manning. Imagine a jet flying missions autonomously, controlled by AI. This could redefine pilots' roles focusing on strategy while AI handles flight. Picture augmented reality providing real-time situational awareness. Envision swarms of loyal wingman drones extending its reach and firepower. The GCAP jet is a platform for next-generation weaponry. Directed energy weapons could become a reality. High-power microwave weapons could disable enemy electronics. The GCAP fighter is a flying platform for future innovation. The development of such an advanced fighter jet requires a confluence of engineering expertise and technological prowess. GCAP brings together some of the most renowned names in the aerospace industry, each contributing their unique strengths to this international endeavor. Leading the charge from Italy is Leonardo, a company with a storied history in aerospace engineering. Leonardo brings to the table its expertise in avionics, sensors, and weapon systems, crucial components for any modern fighter jet. From Japan comes Mitsubishi Heavy Industries, a giant in the world of heavy industry and a key player in Japan's aerospace sector. Mitsubishi's experience in aircraft design and manufacturing, particularly with its work on the F-2 fighter jet, will be invaluable in shaping the GCAP fighter. Representing the UK is BAE Systems plc, a company synonymous with cutting-edge defense technology. BAE Systems brings its expertise in stealth technology, systems integration, and software development. Together, these three companies form the core of the industrial consortium tasked with bringing the GCAP fighter jet to life. Their combined expertise and experience make them uniquely qualified to tackle the challenges of developing a sixth-generation fighter jet. Section 4. Expanding the Circle of Power. While the UK, Italy, and Japan form the core of GCAP, the program is not a closed shop. Other nations are watching with keen interest, recognizing the strategic and technological advantages that participation could offer. Among them, Saudi Arabia, Canada, and Australia have emerged as potential partners, each with their own motivations for joining this ambitious endeavor. Saudi Arabia, a nation with significant defense spending and a desire to diversify its sources of military hardware, has expressed strong interest in GCAP. Canada, a long-standing U.S. ally, has been re-evaluating its defense posture in light of evolving geopolitical realities. Australia, another close U.S. ally with a strong interest in maintaining its military edge in the Indo-Pacific region, is also considering GCAP. The potential inclusion of these partners would not only bring significant financial and industrial resources to GCAP, but also broaden its geopolitical significance. It would signal a shift towards a more multipolar world, where regional powers are increasingly willing to collaborate on defense projects outside traditional alliances. Section 5. Shifting Sands of Geopolitics. The emergence of GCAP and the interest it has garnered from potential partners cannot be viewed in isolation. These developments are symptoms of a larger geopolitical shift, one characterized by growing uncertainty, shifting alliances, and a renewed focus on national sovereignty. The post-Cold War era, marked by U.S. dominance and a unipolar world order, is fading. The rise of China, The resurgence of Russia and the increasing assertiveness of regional powers have ushered in a new era of multipolarity, where power is more diffuse and alliances are more fluid. In this environment, traditional partnerships are being tested. The US, once seen as a guarantor of security, is increasingly perceived as unreliable, its foreign policy unpredictable, and its commitment to its allies questioned. This has led many nations, particularly those reliant on US military hardware, to seek alternative sources of defense technology. For the UK, Italy, and Japan, it represents a move towards greater self-reliance in a critical area of defense. By developing their own sixth-generation fighter jet, they aim to reduce their dependence on US technology and ensure their ability to defend their interests independently. This desire for greater autonomy is not limited to the GCAP partners. Section 6. The price of innovation. The pursuit of cutting-edge military technology, while strategically vital, comes at a steep price. Developing a sixth-generation fighter jet like the one envisioned by GCAP requires not only substantial financial investment, but also access to advanced technologies and a highly skilled workforce. The financial burden of developing and producing a fleet of advanced fighter jets is enormous. Research and development costs alone can run into the tens of billions of dollars, and production costs per aircraft can reach hundreds of millions. Beyond the financial cost, there are technological hurdles to overcome. Sixth-generation fighter jets are expected to incorporate cutting-edge technologies, some of which are still in their infancy. Developing and integrating these technologies into a functional and reliable aircraft requires overcoming significant engineering challenges. Furthermore, the success of a program like GCAP hinges on the availability of a highly skilled workforce. These challenges underscore the significant commitment required to develop and field a sixth-generation fighter jet. Section 7. Shaping Tomorrow's Skies. The Global Combat Air Program represents more than just a new fighter jet. It signifies a shift in air power, driven by technological advancements and evolving geopolitical realities. The sixth-generation fighter jet has the potential to reshape future battlefields. Emphasizing autonomous flight, advanced sensors, and next-gen weaponry, it promises unparalleled combat prowess. Imagine engaging multiple targets, evading defenses, and striking with pinpoint accuracy. This is the vision GCAP seeks to realize. Beyond military applications, GCAP underscores international collaboration. It highlights the importance of innovation in maintaining national security. Investing in programs like GCAP is essential for deterring aggression and safeguarding interests. The future of air combat is being shaped today with GCAP at the forefront.